2005 Dodge Stratus with the 2.4 four-cylinder engine. This is the exact same engine that shows up in the Mitsubishi Eclipse and the Mitsubishi Galant. So if you have one of these vehicles, this title might appear under one of those names as well. Don't worry, it's the same exact engine, and this repair video will help you out. Today we're going to be replacing the oil pressure sensor unit, which is located at the back of the engine. Let's get to it. And for this repair job, we'll be using the CarQuest 59 Alpha 1002 pressure switch. Now, there are two different engines. Basically, it's the same engine, but their classifications are different. The connectors will look different, but they are in the exact same spot. They just have different connectors, and the tool that you might need to use to remove them is probably different. Other than that, the job itself is pretty straightforward. And we come around here to the back of the engine. I've already got the work site lit up, and right there is our sensor. Now these have a locking tab on top. You just need to reach on the back side and push that tab out, and then push down to release the connector. And as you can see, it's covered in oil. What these have an issue with is that the sensor will actually break inside here, and oil will start coming out of the sensor into the connector. So make sure you take your time, clean these out with some brake clean, and then put some dielectric grease in there to stop any kind of rusting after you install your new sensor. And to remove it, we're going to need a 1 1/16 inch socket, deep socket. Let me clarify that again. Make sure we're on loosen. And we're just going to reach up here. Try maneuver it around. Break this sensor loose. And with it broken loose, just reach up here with my hand and finish unscrewing it the rest of the way. And there's our old sensor. Like I said, a very straightforward job, nothing difficult. All right, and while not a necessary step, it is one that I like to do. Get myself a can of brake clean. I'm gonna come in here and spray down the area where the sensor threads in. And I'm going to grab the sensor. I'm going to clean, or the sensor connector. I'm just going to wait for my tripod to stop fighting me. I'm going to clean this up and just give it a couple minutes to dry. And everybody that's like, oh no, you put brake clean into the engine, it evaporates. It's literally going to be gone in a couple seconds. It's okay. Nothing is going to get hurt from it. If you're scared about doing it, then don't do it. Me, I've been doing this for over 20 years and it's gonna be just fine, I promise. And with everything dried up, reach up in here with our new sensor. I'm gonna fix my camera real quick. Start threading this in. Oh my goodness, let's stop dropping this thing. Now you'll see the white thread tape that came pre-installed on my sensor. If yours does not have that, take the time to get yourself some thread tape and install that on the threads of the sensor before you install it, obviously, or else you could have an oil leak down the road. We're gonna get that socket. Again, our 1 1/16 inch socket. Go up here and see how far I can get that down by hand. Okay, down there pretty tight already. Get my ratchet. And for this part, I have to use both my hands. So after the connector is nice and clean, get yourself some dielectric grease and just give it a teeny tiny squeeze up into those connectors, just to make sure that they don't start to rust or anything like that. Put our connector back on. Put our connector back on and lock that tab down, and you're done. And that's pretty much all there is to it. These are very common for oil leaks on these vehicles. So if you do have a leak coming around the back of your engine, make sure you take a look at that one real quick. The sensor itself is like $10 or $15. It's really not hard to do. So very easy oil leak to fix if that's what's leaking. But other than that, we got a couple more videos coming out for this vehicle, so if you'd like to see them, make sure you're subscribed. If you'd like to see another one of these videos right away, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you all next time.